Hey yo peep, it's your girl Blayu and happy to be back with a new vlog for you. But first thing first, sadly to let you know that I cannot go anywhere to make any travel vlog for a moment because you know the issues lately comes up. So instead of getting bored at home doing nothing, I'm gonna share to you how I'm doing my daily makeup. But disclaimer, I'm not a beauty vlogger, neither I'm doing makeup to everyone. This is just basically what I'm doing every day on my face. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Well, yeah, for now I'm gonna show you what I'm using for my makeup. First, I have this foundation from Makeover. I'm using for the Amber Rose number 4, and then I have this sponge, and then a brush, makeup brush like this. It's just normal for a blush on, and eyebrow pencil, some lipsticks. I have only nude ones because I love nudes. And last but not least, I have this eyeshadow palette. But basically I never used any powder on my face because I don't really like it. I don't know, but this foundation is super like powerful on my face, so I don't need anything else to put it on. So yeah, let's get into the makeup tutorial. Simple. If I'm doing it like normal, it just need like less than 10 minutes, I think. Yeah, just put it on all around your face. Done. And then oh yeah, highlighter. I'm not really using it, it's just a bit around your cheek. I'm not using any contour, I'm not using any powder, so this is really basic makeup that I'm doing almost every day. Then now, lipstick. Usually I blend it like 1 or 2 colors on my lips because it's really hard to get a lipstick which match with your, you know what I mean, with what you want.
Tell me how to think. Lay me on your riverbed tonight. There'll be chasing after us.
So that's all for the video. Hope you enjoy and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. See you on the next vlog.